Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been back-to-back release of hit music for Kizz Daniel, as he didn't take any break after the release of Buga. He has released another banger titled Odo, and a lot of celebrities have been jumping on the trend. The likes of Ebube Obio, Sabinus, pocolee, Broda Shaggi, and so many other amazing people have jumped on the trend. Ebube Obio particularly caught my attention because it seems she knows how to do a lot of things aside acting. She really danced the song so well. Guys, enjoy the rest of the video to see other amazing people that dance to this song. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.